Hiccup, you are grounded forever. Go to your room now. Yes, I grounded Hiccup.
Look, Mum, Dad, Astrid, and Toothless. King Magnifico grounded me.
Really? King Magnifico. How dare you ground my son Hiccup?
That's it. We are calling Asha and Valentino about this. Go home now.
King Magnifico, how dare you ground Hiccup? You know that he is one of our favorite characters.
But Asha and Valentino, I hate Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon.
We don't care, that's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded until DreamWorks Dogman comes out. Go to your room now.